You know what's funny about the 174.82?
It was our pre-market to the downside, and we had previous support like 2 cents away from there.
Yep. There you go. Ding, ding, ding. There's your pre-market to the downside. You guys starting to catch how all this is working in combination? Here comes Apple to the upside for its fourth attempt. Do you see it? Apple, there it goes. There's your pop. I was just going to say, it keeps touching this a lot. But again, don't get overly excited. Now, Apple, watch for this to come up. Next level of resistance going to be 175.48. But I told you guys, this is the bounce, and you got to use this 200 bounce back to the upside, just like we do VWAP, right? It's the same thing. The 200 is used in space, meaning there's nothing else around it. Same like VWAP is, yes? We use those in space, meaning there isn't anything else around it. That is how we do that. Does that make sense, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So again, nice trade there. I mean, look at this. This is all really textbook for a scalper. Comes up, there's your 200. 200 is resistance. So what would we buy there? A put. Then it channeled. Then it came up, touched it again, came back shortly, broke back through, touched our other key critical area that we've been talking about in here, pulled back to the 200. There's your next one. It went all the way to the top. There's your next one to the downside. It went right here. It broke back through. The 200, we're using it just like VWAP. It came back through here, and then it finally blasted all the way through. Does everybody see that?